Hello and welcome. In this video, we will talk about digital marketing. What is digital marketing? We will see its definition and we will see types of digital marketing. So let's dive into digital marketing. Digital marketing is the process of using online platforms and technologies to promote products, service, or brands to people across the internet. It allows businesses to reach their customers wherever they spend most of their times on website, social media, search engines, and mobile devices. Digital marketing is all about using online tools and strategies to connect with people, grow businesses, and achieve goals faster and more efficiently than traditional marketing. Now, let's see types of digital marketing. Search engine optimization or SEO. Search engine marketing SEM. Content marketing, social media marketing SMM, email marketing, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, mobile marketing, video marketing, display advertising, pay-per-click PPC, and online public relations. Thanks for watching.